Good morning, all of you. So today I will start data communication, LAN, WAN, and MAN in our information technology and management. This topic is in section A, or we can say that section 1 of information technology and management. So what is data communication? Communication means sharing information. It can be locally or remotely also we can have communication, or we can share information. Local communication can be in the form face-to-face communication, remotely over distance by your telephone, by your mobile phone. We can have sharing of information remotely. What about telecommunication? Telecommunication means communication at a distance. It can be from devices like telephone, telegraph, and television. Tele in Greek used for far. Tele in Greek used for far. What about data communication? That is data and communication. Data is information, or it refers to information presented in any form agreed upon by the parties. Agreed upon by the parties, creating and using. Means if we are if we are having some data, so we can create the data, or we can use the data which can be created by someone else. अगर कोई और लोग कोई डेटा को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और उसको हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, तो वो भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. दैट इज अ वन टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. डेटा कम्युनिकेशन is the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium. Transmission medium can be wired or wireless. Communication system made up of a combination of hardware and software. Means whenever we want to establish communication, we should have hardware as well as software. In software, we will have some application. In hardware, we can say that the device through which the communication system can be established. So these are the two combinations of hardware and software used for communication system. Effectiveness of data communication system depends on delivery, accuracy, timeliness, jitter. So what is delivery? Delivery means the system must deliver data to correct destination. Data received by the intended user only. If I am sending some information to my friend's name is Sunil, and the information which I send to Sunil has been received by Mukesh. Mukesh is not the intended user. Mukesh is not the intended user. So that delivery is not proper delivery, or we can say that it is not delivered to the correct destination. So correct destination is mandatory in our data communication. So delivery is very important. Now the second thing is accuracy. The system must deliver data accurately, means no change. My name is Amar Kumar. I speak over phone to a interviewer. My name is Amar Kumar and I am from Patna. So this data should not be changed. Accurately, it should be delivered to the destination. If interviewer will hear my name is XYZ, and there might be some disturbances, or data has been changed, or there is some connection in the mobile phone and the data has been changed. So that data is incorrect, and uncorrected data is unusable. Uncorrected data is unusable. So data changed and it is uncorrected, that is unusable. Now the next one is timeliness. The system must deliver data in timely manner. Some information has to be sent to any of the organization. So it should be in real time transmission, or in the same order we can say that it should be delivered. If I am sharing some video file, it is also having some audio. So without any delay, video and audio both should be delivered. Otherwise, there will be mismatch in the video and audio. So it will be useless. It will be useless. It can be meaningful data. तो मैं ये चाहता हूं कि जो भी डेटा आपको डिलीवर हो वो टाइम पे डिलीवर हो. रियल टाइम ट्रांसमिशन में हमारा अगर वीडियो और ऑडियो में कोई भी डिले होता है तो वो डेटा हमारा यूजलेस हो जाता है. We can say that data arrived late are useless. Yes, definitely it is useless, because if I require that information now and if it will arrive after 2 hours, after 3 hours, then it will be definitely late and that data is useless for any person or any organization. Now the next one is jitter. Variation in the packet arrival time, uneven quality in video is the result. If I am sending some video which is having or which is consuming more space, so all the data, all the video file should be sent at the same time. एक वीडियो हमारा है, उसको मैं अगर सेंड कर रहा हूं कहीं, तो वो एक अराइवल टाइम उसका है. उस अराइवल टाइम पीरियड में डेटा वहां रिसीव हो जाना चाहिए, डिलीवर हो जाना चाहिए. अगर नहीं होता है तो वीडियो क्वालिटी में डिफरेंस आएगा, हमारा अनइवन क्वालिटी होगा, हमारे जो वीडियोस होंगे उसके अनइवन क्वालिटीज होंगे. So if we want proper quality in the video, then it should be delivered at proper arrival time. There should not be any type of jitter. These are the 4 things on which the data communication are fully dependent. The next one is components of data communication. Data communication system is made up of 5 components. Definitely it is protocol, sender, message, medium, and the receiver. So these are the 5 components of data communication system. So if protocol is not proper, so data communication will not be established in a proper way, we can say. So what is the message? Message is nothing but the information or the data to be communicated consists of text, number, pictures, audio, and video. Sender, the device that sends the data message, computer, workstation, telephone handset, video camera. So these are the device which sends the data message. Receiver, the device that receives the message. Computer, workstation, telephone, handset, television, these are the receiver which receives the messages. Now the next is our medium, the physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. The physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. Physical path can be via through which the data communication is established. The physical path is to state pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, radio waves. So these are the physical path through which the data are transferred from sender to the receiver. These are the physical path through which the data or message delivered or sent from sender to the receiver. Protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that govern data communications. An agreement between the communicating devices. Devices may be connected but not communicating, no protocol. Arabic speaker with Japanese speaker, no protocol. Means a set of rules is mandatory in governing the data communication. Devices may be connected but not communicating, means there is no rules or there is no protocols. अगर हम दो डिवाइस को कनेक्ट कर दिया और वो आपस में कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, या फिर कोई सामने वाला स्पीकर अरेबिक स्पीक कर रहा है और जो हमारा एक जो रिसीवर है या फिर सुनने वाला जो व्यक्ति है वो जापानीज है, वो जापानीज लैंग्वेज जानता है और सामने वाला अरेबिक स्पीक कर रहा है, बोल रहा है, तो हमारा ये कम्युनिकेशन एस्टैब्लिश नहीं होगा. We can't say this communication is successful. So set of rules is mandatory in any type of data communication. Data can be represented in these forms, that is text, numbers, images, audio, video. So these are the forms in which the data can be represented. It can be represented in text form, it can be represented in the numbers form, it can be represented in the images forms, audio forms and video. So these are the forms in which the data are represented. Text, sequence of bits, zeros or ones. So these are the text, different set of patterns to represent text symbols. Each set is called code. अगर हम लोग बात करें टेक्स्ट की तो वो जीरोज और वन का सीक्वेंस होता है. अलग अलग पैटर्न्स होते हैं कोई टेक्स्ट सिंबल्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, और हर एक सेट जो है वो हमारा कोड कहलाता है. हर एक सेट हमारा क्या कहलाता है? कोड कहलाता है. देयर इज ASCII कोड which is having 7 bits and 128 symbols. ASCII code that is 7 bits and 128 symbols. Common coding system today is Unicode. Unicode consists of 32 bits to represent a symbol or a character in any language. So 32 bits is represented by 10 digits. Numbers represented by bit patterns. The number is directly converted to a binary number. Images represented by bit patterns, a matrix of pixels. Resolution is also there, size of pixels. High resolution means more memory is needed. High resolution means more memory is needed. If the pixel value is less, the resolution is low. If the pixel value is high, resolution is high. So pixels is also mandatory for any images. Each pixel is assigned a bit pattern. हर एक पिक्सल का एक बिट पैटर्न असाइन होता है. एक बिट पैटर्न हमारा ब्लैक व्हाइट डॉट इमेज होता है. दो बिट पैटर्न हमारा 4 लेवल्स ऑफ ग्रे होता है. RGB कलर्ड इमेजेस होता है. Red, green, blue we can say. Now we will move to audio. Audio should be continuous, not discrete. Change to digital signal. Change to digital signal means ऑडियो अगर हमारा कोई भी हम लोग सेंड कर रहे हैं फाइल, तो ये कंटिन्यूअस होना चाहिए, ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए बीच में. अगर ब्रेक होता है तो हमारा ये ऑडियो फाइल प्रॉपर नहीं डिलीवर होगा एंड इट इज यूजलेस. वीडियो recording or broadcasting of a picture or movie, change to digital signal, change to digital signal. So these are the data representations. These are the data representation. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the data flow and many more things. Till then, thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Have a great day.